Good morning, class. How are you all? I hope you all are well. Very good. So, student, this is your computer period. Which period? Computer period, class 4th. Class 4th, computer period. All of you open your easy computer book. All of you open it. Now we have completed chapter 2. We have completed this chapter 2, computer memory. We have completed this chapter and today we will do the fill in the blanks. So all of you open your page number 1717. 1717, all of you open it. 1717. And this fill in the blanks. First is each bit stores information as either dash or dash. So answer will be 0 or 1. Okay, answer will be 0 or 1. You have to do this in your book, not in notebook. आपको अपनी notebook में नहीं करना है, आपको अपनी book में ही करना है. Okay. Second is dash and dash are two types of computers memory. Dash and dash कितने types की memory होती है? 2 types की. And they are primary and secondary. Primary and secondary. primary. And secondary is secondary. Secondary. Third is the dash is used by the CPU while processing data and executing instructions. So the answer will be primary memory. Primary memory. primary. Primary memory. memory. Next is dash type of memory is primarily used by CPU. तो किस टाइप की मेमोरी होती है? रोम. ROM. रोम टाइप की मेमोरी होती है. नेक्स्ट इज द मोर डैश कंप्यूटर हैज द फास्टर इट वर्क्स. The more dash computer has, the faster it works. You have to cut this fifth one because they all are same. So come to next 6. The more dash computer has, the faster it works means RAM. 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 Seventh is the contents of the dash are pre-recorded and cannot be changed easily. So the answer will be ROM. 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 Next is the human memory is dash, whereas a huge section of computer's memory is dash. Volatile. Human body क्या होती है? Volatile. And according to computer memory is non-volatile. Non-volatile. volatile. Volatile. Next is computer in olden days used a drum to store data. This memory was called dash. तो जो पहले के ज़माने में कौन से कंप्यूटर्स में स्टोर किस उसमें रखा जाता था? ड्रम मैग्नेटिक स्टोरेज. DRUM MAGNETIC स्टोरेज. STORAGE ड्रम मैग्नेटिक स्टोरेज. Both the type of computer memory are measured in dash. दोनों मेमोरी किस में मेजर होती है? Bits and bytes. Now come to next. Choose the correct answer. First is ROM is called dash memory. ROM को कौन सी मेमोरी कहा गया है? Permanent memory. So tick the A1. Permanent memory. Next is auxiliary memory is dash in nature. ऑक्सिलियरी मेमोरी कैसी होती है? सेकेंडरी होती है. ओके, सेकेंडरी इन नेचर. सो टिक द C1. In first it will be permanent memory, and in second it will be secondary in nature. And next is 2 gigabyte is equals to dash megabyte. 2 gigabyte, अगर 1 gigabyte is equals to 1024 megabyte, and same as 2 gigabyte is equals to 2048. You have to multiply 1024 into 2, so it will be 2048. Next is giga is a Greek word that means, giga क्या है? ग्रीक वर्ड है जिसका मीनिंग होता है giant. GIANT, giant. So tick the D1. You have to tick the D1. Next is only the dash of the computer has an access to ROM. Only the dash. तो किसको है पावर? CPU को, Central Processing Unit. Only the CPU has the power to access the ROM. So tick the CPU. CPU. Very good. Now come to page number 1818. 1818. Question answer we will do later, and this one, complete the following. So first is 2 kilobyte is equals to dash byte. 2 kilobyte कितना होता है? 2048. You have to multiply with 2. 1024 into 2, then it will be 2048. So you have to write down 2048. Now second is 3 megabyte is equals to dash kilobyte. Similarly, you have to multiply by 3. 1024 multiply by 3, so it will be 3072. 3072. So write down 3072. Third will be 4 gigabyte is equals to dash megabyte. 4 gigabyte कितना होता है? dash megabyte होता है. So answer will be 4096. 4096. Okay. Now fourth will be 5 megabyte is equals to dash byte. 5 megabyte is equals to dash byte. It will be 5120. You have to multiply 1024 into 5. So it will be 5120. Okay. Now fifth is 2 gigabyte is equals to dash kilobyte. 2 gigabyte कितना होता है? 2048. You have to multiply 1024 into 2, so it will be 2048. So you have to write down 2048. First will be 2 kilobyte is equals to 2048 bytes. Second will be 3 megabyte is equals to 3074 kilobytes. Third will be 4 gigabyte is equals to 4096 megabyte. Fourth will be 5 megabyte is equals to 5120 bytes. And fifth will be 2 gigabyte is equals to 2048 kilobytes. So children, you have to do this in your book, and you have to click the picture of this and send it to your respective class teachers by 2 p.m. So till then, bye bye everyone.